All right, welcome back, my dear student. So now that we got our task controllers done, all right, we got our display view for the tasks, all right, because we created this folder inside views called tasks, and then inside there we created a display.php file, which is the display view, and then we created a task model, right? So now that we basically our goal here is to get information back from this method here in the model to put in this view, display view right here. So let's do that. Let's go to our task model and let's create that side. Oops, I'm gonna refresh that. I think I already have. Go to tasks, and then if you don't have no data, go to insert and insert some data. All right, this is the data that I inserted. All right, take PHP course 1, take AWS PHP course this week, whatever, and JavaScript course, take JavaScript. If I haven't done that with you, make sure that you put some data in that task table. Okay, all right. So once you do this, we're gonna return this, but we gotta make sure that we have a variable here, right? Query, and we'll say we are in the task model, by the way. We'll return query, and then we'll return a row because we just want to return it for this specific task, right? We're gonna return that row. All right, perfect. So we'll go back here, make sure everything looks good, and then we'll go to display here. And then we can just go ahead and say, you know what, I want to echo task name. All right, let's go and try it out real quick, see if it works. All right, let's go to our application right here. Then / tasks / display, enter. All right, it's trying to get a okay, line 3 of the display. So doesn't recognize this for some reason. Is because we need the right name, task underscore name. Go down again, enter. Okay, it's giving me a problem again. Let's go to our controllers and let's see what's going on here. Oh, you know what? It's because we're not giving it an ID. So /1, enter. All right, so we got the ID and it's working now. Perfect. So let's create a table around that, right? So let's go to our, well, we have a table. We have a table in home view that we can take. All right, let's take this table, copy it, and let's take it to this display right here and just paste it in there. Let's take out the for each, and let's take out this link, and instead of echo project, we're gonna echo task, and then task name, and here we'll say task body. Make sure you change that accordingly. All right, all right, we're just changing everything to task. That's all we're doing. Let's come back here and refresh, and now as you can see, we are displaying the task on this specific. Now we can make this look a lot better than that. All right, it's just, this is just the way I'm doing it right now. Let's just also display the date, task created. I think that's the name. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Let's go here and refresh. Okay, that's not the name. It's actually backwards. Task date created underscore created. There we go. Now let's try it. Okay. It doesn't need the task. There we go. Save. Let's try that one now. Enter. All right, there we go. Let's put a heading here, right? On that table heading there, we'll just say, we just make 2th, say date. Save. Come back here. Enter. Beautiful. All right. So it's starting to look a lot better now. At least we can see our tasks, right? Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. So we also need to find a way to relate these tasks to projects. All right. So we are gonna see how we're gonna do that. But anyway, we are done with this lecture. On the next lecture, we'll continue. Thank you, and keep having fun.